I want to show you something that will change the way you see every conflict, every criticism, and every moment of pressure you'll ever face for the rest of your life. And it all starts with this orange. If I were to take this orange and squeeze it as hard as I can and then ask you what will come out, you would probably say juice. And if I said, well, no matter how hard I squeeze it, do you think you'll ever get pineapple juice out of this? Do you think you'll get cranberry juice? Do you think you'll get apple juice? You'd say, no, of course not. You would get orange juice. And if I were to further ask you why, when I squeeze this orange, does orange juice come out? You'd say, well, it's an orange, and that's what's inside. And that's the answer. That's the truth. When you squeeze an orange, you get out of it what's inside. And then, if we extend that metaphor to yourself, and someone squeezes you, that is, puts pressure on you, says something about you that you find offensive, whatever it might be. Someone squeezes you, and out of you comes anger, and out of you comes hatred, and out of you comes judgment, criticism, condemnation, fear. Out of you comes all kinds of stuff because you've been squeezed and you don't want to be squeezed, and you believe in your heart, somehow you believe that it was the person who squeezed you that caused this to come out of you. But the truth of it is, just like the orange, when someone squeezes you and out of you comes anything, it's because that's what's inside. So here's the powerful question. What are you cultivating on the inside when no one is watching? What thoughts are you feeding? What beliefs are you nurturing? Because life will squeeze you, challenges will come, pressure will mount. That's not a possibility, that's a promise. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. Life is one massive psychological war that you wage against yourself every single day. The battlefield isn't out there in the world, it's right between your ears. The most critical conversation you'll ever have isn't with your parents or your friends. It's the conversation you have with yourself when nobody else is listening. And for most of my life, the things I was telling myself were completely screwed up. They were wrong, they were defeating, they were lies dressed up as truth. And here's the worst part. Other people started writing that dialogue for me too. Their doubts became my doubts. Their limitations became my ceiling. Their fears infected my thinking. Every single day, those voices were chipping away at who I could become, until I woke up to what was happening, until I realized I had tools I'd never used. Until I understood that everything I'd been through, every hardship, every setback, every moment of pain wasn't happening to me, it was happening for me. My life was the perfect training ground for where I needed to go. Listen to me closely. When you're chasing your destiny, when you truly identify with what you're meant to become, you've got to operate differently than everyone else. You've got to be relentless. You've got to move with a faith so deep that it doesn't matter how terrible things look from the outside. You keep pushing forward anyway. That's not stubbornness. That's commitment to a vision only you can see. Don't ever forget the person you were when you started. That hungry version of you who wanted more, who dreamed bigger, who wasn't comfortable with settling. Remember that person, because that fire can die if you're not careful. Society will try to tame you. It'll try to convince you that you've done enough, achieved enough, that it's time to relax and play it safe. Don't let their caution poison your ambition. Don't become a want to be. Everyone wants to be more. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone wants to be remembered. But wanting isn't enough. You've got to put the work in. You've got to be willing to do what everyone else isn't. The world is waiting for the version of you that you've been too scared to become. That version has always been there. It's time to bring it to life. Stay hard. Stay focused. Stay hungry. And never, ever quit on yourself. Your legacy starts today.